Hi, thank you for watching Alaya Pilates at Home. I'm Mira. If you're looking for a workout, a class to strengthen the hips, this is a class for you. We're going to work and train the muscles supporting the hip joint to give you a strong and stable pelvis. So let's go ahead and start the class. We're going to start lying on our back. Turn to the side of your body and lie on your back. Just try to make yourself feel more comfortable here, and then go ahead and lift the knees up, one and the other one. And we're going to start with mobilizing our hip joint. So placing your hands on the top of the knees, pulling your thigh towards you, and open the knee out, thigh out, and rotating out. So we're just going to pull in, out, away, and just breathing naturally as you mobilize the hip joint. In breath. And then exhale, nice and easy, gentle to start. One more time. And let's go the other direction. We pull away, out, in and together. Again, in breath. And exhale. And one round. And exhale. And let's do two more times here. And one last one. And now keep the right thigh with you, lower the left leg and straighten the leg down on the floor. You can actually press or place your hands underneath the back of your thigh. And I want you to just press your thigh towards your chest. We're just going to inhale, compress the hip joint. Exhale, let it go. And then place your thigh on the outside of the rib cage, on the side of your body, and then press your thigh towards your armpit. In breath, and exhale, let it go. Lower the leg down, bring the left leg in, stretch your right leg out. Bring your thigh, your left thigh to your chest. So we inhale, compress that hip joint. As you reach the other leg out on the floor, exhale, let it go. And then place your thigh to the outside of your rib cage, to your armpit. Inhale, press your thigh to the side of your body. Exhale and let it go. Well done. Okay, now place your feet hip-width distance apart, arms long by the side. We're going to move on with some pelvic curl. So we're going to mobilize the pelvis, curl the pelvis as you press the lower back in with the abdominal, and then roll all the way up to your bridging position. Here, you're going to fire up your hamstring and your glute muscle at the end. Press the big toes down and activate your inner thigh. Your chest is still nice and open. Exhale, we roll the spine down, vertebrae by vertebrae, and we'll lift the pelvis at end. And we'll repeat. We exhale, we draw in the abdominal, we press the feet, lift the pelvis up. In breath. Exhale.